guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am explain how to safe mode disable or enable. So now I'm search web, just click Google image and hit enter. So now I'm click search option Microsoft Bing. Now click the menu bar option and click save search. So now click save search streak, automatically select moderate. So I'm just page zoom so you can see moderate and filter adult image and video but not text from your search result. So I'm just restrict only strict, okay, filter out adult text image and video from your search result and safe search off, I means disable. Don't filter adult content from your search options. So I hope you enjoy this video. So I hope understand. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon, all notification sets. So goodbye.